Alright guys, so I've got an amazing deal for you here today. If you've come to my page, you're interested in this. This is something I've never actually released before. I've never released something like this. And it just kind of came on me, and I had a couple of people asking me about replays, and I was like, well, you know what? Here it is. Here's what the offer is. Over 38 hours. 38, let me repeat that one more time. Over 38 hours of high quality SEO content is in this product here, this course. So what I did is I took all of the masterminds over the last year, that's in 2020, and I've included this in the purchase. And it's 38, I almost said 35, but it's actually 38 hours of high SEO content. Now these were live calls. I do them once a week with my mastermind members. So they're in there live, they're asking me questions, about SEO, they're asking me questions about video marketing, mass page websites, GMBs, GMB posts, Google sites. These are some of the topics we're talking about. SEOing pages, creating backlinks to pages, Tumblrs, everything that you can imagine. Google Sheets, Google stacking, DAS, domain authority stacking, that's DAS right there. Stacking authority, doing Google properties, interlinking, backlinking, tri-linking, every kind of linking that you can think about, and it's awesome. Some of these videos are 2-3 hours long. I believe there's one in there almost 4 hours. So our masterminds, there is no time limit to them. Some of them may be 30 minutes, but most of them are 1 to 2 to 3 hours long. Tons of content in there. Of course, there's some banter back and forth. But what you're also going to get is you're going to see the high quality members in the membership, at least those that do attend live, and you'll be surprised who's in there. We got some really big names, some really big SEOs. Some of them you won't see their pictures, you'll just hear their voices, and other times you won't even see them or hear them, but they'll be asking questions, I'll be answering those questions that come in, and it's a lot of content. It is so much content. 38 hours, you're probably thinking, Mamma Mia. But the nice thing is you can put the fast forward on, you can speed up the videos, and you can watch these in 2x, 3x, 4x, however fast you want. But you get a lot of content. So again, these are my Mastermind Borg replays. Yes, I am a total nerd. I fully admit it. And I love 7 of 9. That's why I named it. Platinum Borg Mastermind replays. It's awesome. You'll probably see the 7 of 9 image on there inside the course. In fact, I know you will because I put it on there a few moments ago. So just go down below, pick it up. This is a killer deal. This is a killer price. I should have put a much higher price tag on this. 38 hours of content. Holy shnikes. And I'm only going to do it for the first 10. This is not a scare tactic. This is the first 10 people. So as soon as 10 people buy, I'm closing it out. I'm shutting it down. That buy button is going away. And that's not scarcity. That's not false advertising. That's not hype. That's what's going to happen. So first 10 people, boom, I am shutting that puppy down. Because there is a lot of high quality content in there. In fact, I had one of my mastermind members come in. He gave like over an hour talk on backlinking just 3 weeks ago. Amazing content. Oh my gosh. He was like on the hot seat. People were asking him questions. And he was just unloading gold nugget after gold nugget after gold nugget after gold nugget. I was impressed. I was like, this is some really good content. So if you've liked my courses in the past, if you've seen what I've put in there before, you're about to have your smokestack blown completely off. This will blow your shoes off. I'm not going to go anywhere else. It is 3:30 in the morning, and God only knows what I'll say off the cuff. So I'm not going to say anything else that's going to make this video go bad. But go down below, pick it up, first 10 people, and that's it. I'm cutting that baby off. Alright, so if you want this, make sure you click that buy button. Because it is going to go fast. I can guarantee you. Alright guys, see you on the back end. Cheers.